Hi there, Rebecca here, and today I'm doing a review on these bread bags. They were gifted to me in exchange for my review. I'm very excited about these because I give away sweet breads, regular breads, and also just to have it in my home and be able to keep it in a paper sack will be awesome. Let's get the box open and check it out.
As I open up the box, I notice that the paper bags are so thick. It also comes with 100 cute ceiling stickers, and there are 50 DIY stickers, so you can personalize each one of them. They are very sticky, and here are the bags. Now these bags measure about 14 inches by almost 8.5 inches, and they're easy fold over, and you can seal it up with one of those stickers. Right here is my bread. Now the bottom is a square bottom, but because of the size of bread I have, I'm going to keep it on its side. Easy, and look how cute the sticker is. It's like a ribbon. The bag itself is made of a great material and is water and oil proof. Look at the transparent front. You can see right into your bags. Now don't just think that these are bread bags. You could use them for nuts. You could put coffee beans in there, even your lunch.